Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something truly exciting to unpack and explore, the Panasonic Z95A. A second-general MLA OLED TV that's been making waves since its debut at CES 2024. Panasonic's latest flagship TV promises to dazzle with its cutting-edge features and upgraded performance. So, without further ado, let's dive into our hands-on review of the Panasonic Z95A and see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Panasonic Z95A certainly makes a statement with its sleek design and premium build quality. Sporting thin black bezels and a speaker bar mounted below the display, this TV exudes elegance while packing some serious audio firepower. While the design might not have changed much from its predecessor, the Z95A maintains Panasonic's signature blend of form and functionality, with thoughtful details like a swiveling pedestal stand for easy adjustment. Now, let's talk tech. The Panasonic Z95A is loaded with features that elevate your viewing experience to new heights. From its second-general MLA OLED panel to its advanced HCX Pro AI processor MK2, this TV is a powerhouse of innovation. The micro-lens array technology enhances brightness and contrast, delivering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Plus, with support for Dolby Vision IQ and 144Hz gaming, you'll never miss a detail, whether you're watching movies or playing your favorite games. Of course, the real test of any TV is its picture quality. And let me tell you, the Panasonic Z95A does not disappoint. With its 4K remaster engine and impeccable color accuracy, every scene comes to life with breathtaking clarity and realism. During our demos, the Z95A showcased its prowess with bright highlights and deep shadows, creating an immersive viewing experience that's second to none. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or streaming your favorite TV shows, the picture quality on this TV is truly exceptional. Last but not least, let's talk about sound. The Panasonic Z95A delivers an audio experience that's as impressive as its visuals. With Dolby Atmos support and advanced sound tuning by Technics, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. During our brief sound demo, we were blown away by the clarity and depth of the audio, with the new Pinpoint feature allowing for precise sound placement that enhances the overall immersion. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or listening to your favorite music, the sound quality on the Z95A is top-notch. So, what's the verdict on the Panasonic Z95A? Well, based on our hands-on experience, it's clear that this TV is a true powerhouse, delivering exceptional picture quality, immersive sound, and cutting-edge features that elevate your home entertainment experience to new heights. That wraps up our hands-on review of the Panasonic Z95A. Be sure to stay tuned to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy watching.